There's a Fallout related countdown set to hit zero on the same day the final episode of Season 2 airs, and a lot of people think it means a Fallout 3 or New Vegas remaster is about to be announced. Before anyone gets too excited, let's slow down and look at why people believe that. So here's what we actually know. There's a website featuring a Fallout style map and a countdown timer. The timer ends on the release day of the Season 2 finale of the Fallout TV series. That's it. No logos, no press releases, no official confirmation from Bethesda or Xbox. The reason people noticed it at all is the timing. Fallout is more popular right now than it's been in years, largely because of the show, and that makes any kind of coordinated date immediately feel intentional, even if it isn't. So why are Fallout 3 and New Vegas the games everyone jumps to? First, both have had remaster rumors floating around for years, especially after Microsoft acquired Bethesda. None of those rumors have been confirmed, but they've never fully gone away either. Second, these are the two modern Fallout games that feel the most dated to play today, especially for new players. They're beloved, but they show their age in controls, stability, and accessibility. And third, and this matters, Fallout New Vegas in particular has a reputation problem and a legacy problem at the same time. It's constantly held up as the best Fallout game while also being one of the hardest for newcomers to get into without patience or mods. A remaster would immediately change that conversation. The TV show timing is what really fuels the speculation. Ending a season with a remaster announcement would make sense from a marketing perspective. It keeps momentum going and pulls new fans directly into the games. But that's also where speculation can get ahead of reality. Just because something fits doesn't mean that it's planned. This is where it's important to stay grounded. There's been no official announcement, no teaser, no acknowledgement. Bethesda has historically been very direct when remasters are actually happening. There has also been plenty of past moments like this, mysterious sites, dates lining up, anniversaries that ultimately didn't lead to anything. And even if a remaster exists internally, that doesn't mean it's ready, or that it's tied to the show, or that it would be announced this way. Right now, all we have is coincidence plus hope to go off of. That said, if a Fallout 3 or New Vegas remaster does happen, it would absolutely shake things up. For new players, it changes the where should I start discussion overnight. A modernized Fallout 3 or New Vegas suddenly becomes far more approachable than it is today. For longtime fans, it reframes old arguments about which game is best, because presentation and usability matter more than people like to admit. Whether this countdown leads to an announcement or quietly disappears, it says something important. Fallout fans are still deeply invested in these games, especially Fallout 3 and New Vegas, and they're hungry for a way to revisit them without friction. Until something is officially confirmed, though, this is just speculation. Interesting speculation, but speculation all the same.
You lose your owner, buddy.
Do you think this countdown actually means something? Or is it just coincidence? And if a remaster does happen, which game would you want first, Fallout 3 or New Vegas? Drop a comment down below with your answer. If you like this kind of video, please consider dropping a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.